so much for tuning into my video. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys just some different ways that you can style your knotless braids. And I have in my ombre knotless braids right now, which are so cute and I just love them. Knotless braids are my favorite. But anyways guys, so for this video you're only going to need 2 hair ties and that's it. So let's get right into it.
Don't act like you forgot. Bitch better have my money. Pay me what you want. Bitch better have my money. Bitch better have my money. Bitch better have my money. Pay me what you want. Bitch better have my money. Bitch better have my money. Don't act like you forgot. Pay me what you want. Bitch better have my money.
A1 is amazing.
At first we started real cool, taking me places I ain't never been. But now you're getting comfortable and doing those things you didn't know more. You're slowly making me pay for things your money should be handling. And now you ask to use my car. Driving all day and don't fill up the tank. And you have the audacity to even come and step to me. Ask to hold some money from me until you get your check next week. Life for living, good for nothing type of brother. Silly me, why haven't I found another? A baller, when times get hard, need someone to help out. Instead of a scrub like you who don't know what a man's about. Brother, 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 brother. Type of brother, silly me. Why haven't I found another? A baller. When times get hard, need someone to help me out. Instead of a scrub like you who don't know what a man's about. Oh, I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had the one so I two-tone them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. That ain't your car, you just a lease and you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that 5 when I'm performing. The back end just came in and all honest. Files galore, cute shit, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she come. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running.
Alright guys, so I'm ending this video with the style that I just did, but added, 2 little pieces of hair because this forehead is serious. But nonetheless, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It really just, I really like knotless braids. That is mine. And I know that a lot of people have a hard time of knowing how to style their box braids or knotless braids in general. And this is not actually my first video, but I feel like with these styles, they're just more efficient. They're not crazy tension or anything like that. So you're gonna love it. Yeah, tell me if you guys like these in any of these styles. My dog is barking. But yeah, tell me if you like any of these styles down below in the comments. If so, please let me know which, and if you guys tried it yourselves. And please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much.
So I took a private plane. He pussy nigga like a wild working on my aim. Drip too hard.